This razor just came in stock and I thought it was so beautiful. Let's do a quick unboxing so you can see for yourself. It's the Rockwell T2 adjustable safety razor. Instruction sheet, foam padding protection, a very nice fitted presentation case with a magnetic closure. Comes with a 5-pack of Rockwell blades and a black leather protective sheath for the razor head. Here's how it installs. So you could even leave the blade in the razor if you want, and your fingers will be protected. The razor weighs in at 3.55 ounces or 101 grams. The overall length, 4.1 inches or 106 millimeters. A stunning rose gold finish on this razor. You can see the adjustment arrow right there. The adjustment dial has settings from 1 all the way up to 6. 6 being most aggressive, 1 being least aggressive. A very precise knurling with grooves on the handle for secure grip. Feels really good in the hand. It's long enough where you can drop it in your palm and shave and spin it. Let's open it. Just turn the bottom dial to the left. It opens all the way up. It comes with a pack of 5 Swedish stainless steel blades, double wrapped. Turn the dial clockwise to close it. Lock it all the way down. The blade alignment is perfect on both sides. For adjustments, you can leave the head closed and make your adjustments. Here it's at 1. You can see the blade gap increasing right here as I increase the number from 1 to 6. 6 being most aggressive, 1 being least aggressive or mildest shaving setting. All in all, a beautiful looking razor. Enter SN2858 in the search box at shavenation.com.